SEO Basics course. Module 12. SEO in online marketing.
Okay, let's recap. In Module 1 we looked at SEO scams and cons, so you can avoid the companies that could cause your website considerable harm. In Module 2 we covered personalised search, so you don't have to make the very common mistake made by many website owners and think you have good rankings when you don't. In Module 3 we saw how search engines go about deciding who should be in their search results pages and in what order they should rank. Module 4 was all about how you can decide what you want to rank for in the SERPs, so you don't waste your time trying to compete with much larger players or ranking for phrases no one searches. Module 5 outlined how we can help search engines understand the basic structure of our website. In Module 6 we went through how to check if the key elements of a web page are well optimized. In Module 7 we got to grips with how to audit and optimize our code without needing to know anything about programming, but to ensure it is correctly marked up for search engine bots to read and understand clearly. Module 8 was all about structuring the pages of a website, so search engines can understand the topic areas in which the site excels. Module 9 covered key areas search engines look at in terms of security, page loading speed and content presentation, and how you can shine in all of them. In Module 10 we saw how you can get your website some authority to boost it up the rankings by getting links from other respectable websites. In Module 11 we looked at ways to monitor your SEO progress so you can accurately measure the effects of your search engine optimization work. In this course you've learnt the fundamental basics of SEO, but search engine optimization is part of a larger field, online marketing. Your SEO can have far greater impact when you understand how it fits in here. So let's have a look at 8 popular online marketing options that are not SEO but hold the potential to amplify your search engine optimization work. Number 1. Marketplaces. If you are selling products or services, sometimes it is better to go to the markets, where most of the sellers and buyers already are, rather than trying to get the market to come to you. There are obvious marketplaces, as well as hundreds of niche ones, worth searching out where you could be selling tomorrow. Number 2. Directories. If you have a service or a bricks and mortar business, there are often respectable directories which large numbers of internet users trust and use to find people just like you or businesses just like yours. Number 3. Portals. Every field has portals, like Behance for designers or Upwork for freelancers. These are places where people might search for what you offer. Number 4. Forums. Demonstrate your expertise. Forums can bring people who already trust you to your website, giving you high quality and targeted traffic. Number 5. Social media. People trust what their friends recommend, which means social media, potentially, could be an extremely powerful place to focus your energies. Number 6. Guest writing. Find relevant blogs, current affairs or lifestyle sites where you could write guest columns or articles promoting your expertise and making people want to visit your website. Number 7. Word of mouth. Don't forget the real world. People respond strongly to word-of-mouth recommendations, whether they are talking to each other out there in the real world or online, so creating a buzz can often pay off. Number 8. Paid online advertising. Some people often see this as an evil money sponge, but if you know how to use this skillfully with SEO, it can be highly profitable. SEO is fundamental to most websites, but it is crucial to remember that it is not the only online marketing technique, and to be aware that careful use of these other alternatives can actually amplify your search engine optimization. For example, if you are selling a product and customers find your website via a search engine, and see you in a marketplace like Amazon, and see your expert advice on a forum, they are far more likely to buy from you. If you are a blogger and readers see you in the search results, and notice your activity in social media, and notice your content elsewhere on the web, they are far more likely to become engaged with you over the long term. If you provide a service and people find you in the search engines and recognise you in respectable directories and see positive feedback about you on a portal, they will be far more confident to get in touch or sign up for what you offer. Being aware of SEO's place within online marketing is also vital if you are planning to contract work out. Hiring an SEO agency means that no matter what your question is, the answer is always SEO, because that is all they know. An online marketing agency, however, can be much more effective because they can match your needs more accurately with a much wider toolbox of options. Too many people jump into search engine optimization, ignoring everything else. While you might end up all at sea struggling with your SEO as your one and only option, your competitors could be doing very nicely, thank you, mixing it with different techniques. Has this video highlighted issues with your SEO work or with a website you are working on, but you don't know how to resolve them? There are simply too many ways a website can be built for us to offer a comprehensive how-to part to these tutorials. However, we would recommend the following steps. First, try Googling it. If you know what platform your website is built on, say Xcart or WordPress, just try Googling what you need. For example, how to make WordPress URLs SEO friendly, to find out how you can make changes to the URLs of your WordPress-based site. You'll be surprised how often issues have already been resolved by others, and sometimes they have even created plugins so you can make the changes you need to without needing any technical skills. If this doesn't resolve your issue, you probably will need the help of a programmer. In this case, see the Need Help link below this video or in the module text for options. That was Module 12, SEO in Online Marketing. And that's it. You have now completed the Webmaxing SEO Basics course. So the only thing left to say now is, if you like what you saw, remember to subscribe.